Hey guys, my name is Lyssa and today I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe Foundation. Throughout maybe like 2 or 3 years, I went through a lot of different foundations and trying to find like the right color, the ones I like best. I actually just recently bought this one like maybe 2 weeks ago. I've worn it maybe 5 times, I'd say 4 or 5 times, but so far it's actually like a great color. So this Morphe foundation says Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation and is medium to full coverage. At the moment my skin is really breaking out, so we're gonna actually see how full coverage it is, if it can cover all of my blemishes that I have right now. The color, the shade that I got, it's medium 16. So the shade that I got is for like a neutral, you know, it's warm and cool. I'm like in between, I'm like the neutral. I actually bought this one from Ulta. They have testers. The lady that was doing it for me, she actually gave me the wrong color. The person that had done me before that too, they also gave me the wrong color. Ulta needs to step up their color matching game. This one, neutral, I'm neutral. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. I need to tie my hair up. Now that our hair looks weird. Is it giving? It's not giving. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my Morphe foundation. After I'm done doing my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and do like my whole makeup look so I can get like the full effect of what it would look like. Usually under this, I would start with concealer. I actually bought like a Misha Magic cushion a little bit ago. Ignore how dirty it is. To use as a foundation, but it's too light. They don't really come in dark shades since it is Korean. Put it underneath my eye. Okay, so you guys still see my blemishes straight through. It didn't really cover anything, so we're still gonna get the full effect of how good the coverage is for the Morphe foundation. Also, if you're interested in buying this one, it is maybe 20 bucks. Yeah, around 20 bucks. It's not cheap, but I mean, it looks pretty nice. I'm just saying. We're gonna see how much it covers. It's gone. Although it looks a little too light, my forehead is just a darker shade than the rest of me. Yeah, that's why it looks a little weird. As you can see, good coverage. It matches my skin pretty well, although it looks a little light. It'll look different once I put the rest of my stuff on. So you can see it has really good coverage. I really like this foundation. Coverage, very good. It's also like, I don't know, it feels pretty light. I would say it feels pretty light. It doesn't really feel heavy. It doesn't feel like there's something weighing down on your face. Because I have felt like that before whenever I wear some foundations. It just felt like kind of icky. Of course, you can still see some of my blemishes. It covered them all pretty well. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of concealer to cover those up real quick. But yeah, it looks pretty good so far. e.l.f. Chemical Concealer Satin Finish. Yeah, the foundation isn't gonna cover everything completely because, well, it is a foundation and you need concealer to cover up like blemishes and stuff. But without really putting any concealer like over my forehead and stuff, and you could see what it looked like before, it covered it really well. You can still see like a little bit, but it's because they're really dark. And you could just put like another maybe layer or just like make it a little bit thicker. But yeah, so after that, I'm just gonna take my contour. Black Opal is the contour that I use. It's called True Color. Blend better once I put other stuff over it. But yeah, let's go that snatched look. Brush it. Contour that forehead. And then I also take it and I put it on my nose. After that, I go in with my e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. I also got this at the same time as I got my foundation. It's crazy how much my makeup, it changes a lot in like a month, because the last time that I did a makeup video, I did my makeup a lot different than I'm doing it right now.
That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my turn.
Looking a little scary, that's okay. Anyways, you wipe it away. Foundation is looking pretty, looks pretty legit. Okay, after that, I take my most favoriteest blush in the world, the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I forgot the shade actually. I put it on my eyes too. I put some on my nose. Is it giving? After blush, use my, it's an Essence highlighter. Just take this. So before I do my eyeliner, any brown eyeliner can work. I put it underneath my eye. It makes my eye look bigger. This is actually a lip liner. I do that, and then I go in with my Essence Super Precise eyeliner. We're gonna act like those are even. They're actually even. Okay. And then after eyeliner, I take my Essence. I didn't realize that these are the same brand. I take my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And then I use kind of like a mix of both of these. This one is an NYX Butter Gloss. It's actually, I think this is kind of popular right now to use. This one is Brownie Dip. It's actually like really nice. And then the other one I use is e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. This color is a Mocha Twist. But yeah, so just get a little bit of this. But yeah, that is my makeup. That is, yeah. You could say the foundation is really nice. I would highly recommend the Morphe foundation, although there isn't the hugest difference between this and like the e.l.f. one and the L'Oreal Paris Infallible, the L'Oreal Paris one. I still really like this one. I might say that this one is my favorite, although it is more expensive, maybe like twice the price, if not more than twice the price. I don't know. Yeah, it's about twice the price of the e.l.f. and the L'Oreal Paris one. It feels pretty nice. Forgot my spray. Yes, I would highly recommend this one. They have it in a bunch of different shades, undertones. I actually found this pretty easy once I actually just went and looked for myself and used the testers. I found the match really quickly. It took like 2 minutes, yeah. So I would recommend just going in there. If you don't know what undertone you are, if you go to like an Ulta or something, because they can't help you out. 13 out of 10, probably my favorite foundation. Thank you so much for watching my review of the Morphe foundation. I'm gonna leave a link to what I use below and the rest of that stuff I've actually used. I'm gonna leave a link to all of those down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I'm looking down from up in the sky.